करने के लिए, लेकिन उसको गलत गुरु मिल गया। हाँ, उसके बारे में क्या बोलते हैं आप बोल के प्रश्न पूछ रहे हैं। प्रभुपाद से if you simply want ordinary education, you have to devote so much time, labor, understanding to it. Similarly, if you are going to take spiritual life, you must become serious. How is that? Simply by some wonderful mantra, someone can become God in 6 months. Why do people want something like that? This means that they want to be cheated. Reporter. How can a person tell he has a genuine guru? हमको कैसा मालूम होते हैं वो असली गुरु है? चलो प्रभुपाद से देख, no problem. This is very important instructions.